Make sure everything is in order, Julius. I don't want any problems today.
Yes, my hand, but you can control everything. Sometimes fate takes a different turn. So later stay calm, okay?
I know. Just go ahead with everything. Alright, hon.
Two Han.
Let's go.
Han,
Why?
wait a minute, I will go back. Oh, the elder sister has arrived. The drama is now complete. Ang ganda mo pa rin, Isabel. Kahit ayaw kitang makita. Why? Who said I want to see you too? Lucia, come here. Stop that. Oh, good afternoon, Ate Isabel. I'm happy because all here is complete. Drop the act, Camille. Stop being so fake. You really don't know how fake I can be. Who wouldn't know? Just looking at your appearance and movements, it clear you can handle me. Kasi nga, anak ka lang sa labas. Yes, but I'm still Alvarado blood.
Melly,
Why are you here, Emilio?
let's talk, Emily. Come here. It's time, Emily.
Emilio, I don't know. They might get angry at you, especially at me.
I handle it as soon as we go out. I tell them right away.
Make sure your family doesn't drive me away, especially Isabel.
Yeah, I'll make sure. Good afternoon. Today, the will shall be read. But before anything else, I have confession to make.
I'm Camille, not just an illegitimate child, but true Alvarado blood, and I have a right to claim my inheritance. What? You have no right to use the Alvarado surname. You're just a child born out of wedlock. No! I'm Papa Emilio's daughter. I will always be Alvarado. That's enough, ate. You don't get to make all the decision here.
Stop! All of here, sit down.
What is going on? This is even more serious than the Terra I watch. Quiet. If I don't get my share, I shoot. I take all of you to court.
Enough, all of you. No one even shows me respect anymore. And now you're fighting right in front of me. My lawyer is here, and the will shall now be read. Please proceed.
Good morning, Alvarado family, and good morning as well, Don Emilio. I am Aaron Cruz, the legal lawyer of Don Emilio Alvarado. I'm here to announce who is rightfully entitled to inherit
to Don Emilio Estate. Before anything else, I ask everyone to remain silent. The person named in Don Emilio will none other than Miss Camille Alvarado, the daughter of Don Emilio.
You shameless! Papa, she's the one who ruined my business. She's the reason I went bankrupt. I'm not a reason. Si Julius ang nasa likod na to. Siya nagbigay ng maling information sa company. Liar! Don't believe her, Han. That woman is liar. Gustong tayo sirain. Wala akong balak na sirain kayo. Hindi ko naman kasalanan lahat ng ito eh. Anak ka lang sa labas. Mahiya ka nga. What the hell?
Seven, please sit down. Enough, be quiet.
Daddy! Tawagin niyo nga si Dr. Teresa. Don Emilio, what happened? Tara na sa room mo. Magpahinga ka na. My child, Camille? Mommy? It's Isabel's fault. You're not to blame, my child. What? Molly, Camille is your daughter? She's your child? That means... Tita? I can explain. Don't bother explaining, Mary. I heard it all. That means you're Emilio's mistress? What is this? Emilio fell for a maid like you? Let's talk about this, please. No, everyone needs to know about this. Where's Emilio? He's in his room, tita. And painted in area. What? Don Emilio, you're okay right now? Okay na po ba ang pakiramdam mo?
I'm okay, thank you, Dr. Teresa.
Teresa, ikaw pala ang doktora ng papa ko. Oo, ako nga. Ang tagal na nating hindi nagkita. Wait, magkakilala pala kayo. Siya ang ex ko, Lucia. Pero ang sabi niya sa akin, sorry, Lucia. Let's talk later. Emilio! Totoo ba? Anak ni Melly si Camille?
Pasensya na't di ko nasabi mahabang panahon.
The story, Inheritance of Royal, teaches many important lessons about family, truth, and forgiveness. At the beginning, greed and jealousy were shown within the Alvarado family, almost destroying their bond. Because of wealth, the true nature of each person was revealed. Arrogant, judgmental, and destructive. Isabel became prideful. Camille was shamed as an illegitimate child, and Don Emilio was hated for his position. But as the story deepened, long-hidden secrets came to light. The revelation of Camille's real mother worsened the family tension. Despite everything, Camille showed strength, a willingness to forgive. Don Emilio's death served as a bridge for the family to reunite. In the letter he left, he expressed the true meaning of his will. That wealth should not be divided, but unite. Everyone realized that greed brings no peace, only division. Isabel asked for forgiveness and Camille showed humility. Rico, Nathan, and Mariel began to be honest with one another. In the end, the home, once filled with anger, became a place of hope. Former enemies became allies. Former secrets became paths to healing. True wealth was proven to be something that cannot be measured by money. And above all, forgiveness became the key to a new beginning.
May I meet Daddy Emily?
Namimiss ko na rin siya. Ang tagal niya lang nawala. At least masaya siya sa langit. Oh, Ate Isabel is here. Ate Isabel? Camille, why are you here? I'm visiting for Papa. Andito pala sila. Uy, andito rin pala kayo. Bayaw, ang tagal na natin din nagkita ah. Uy, mga pinsan, nandito na pala kayo. Nice to meet you. And you? And you? Araw pa lang ay nakamatay ng Uncle Emilio ko. Tama ka, Tonyo. Miss na nga namin siya.
Good morning, Pamela Alvarado. It's nice to see you again. This letter, give it to me by Don Emilio Alvarado before he's dead. Before I read this, everyone remain silent. To all whom I love, I'm sorry. The will was not meant to favor Camille, but to show that greed leads nowhere. Wealth cannot mend a broken heart. Please forgive me. The real will is with my lawyer, and all of you will truly receive your share of the inheritance.
Oh, totoo ba?
Yes, Miss Isabel, all of you have share of the inheritance.
Yes, may share din ako. Thank you, Uncle Emilio.
Wait, Pamela Alvarado, can I go? Because I have meeting to my company.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Aaron Cruz.
Okay, I have to go. Can you pick this?
Ate Isabel, sorry sa lahat ng mga nagawa ko. Okay lang. Sorry din kasi may nagawa rin akong mali. Isabel Camille, sorry din. Okay lang yun. Ano ka ba? Halika na nga dito. Uy, paano kami? Tara na kayo. Halika na pala kayo. Paano naman ako?